Okay, so if you've ever tried to source a product before, you know the drill. You open 15 Alibaba tabs, you're comparing quotes in a spreadsheet, and 3 days later you still don't know who to trust. So what if you could find a viral product, discover verified manufacturers, and message multiple suppliers all from one dashboard, instead of burning days doing all of that manually? That's basically what this next tool does. It's called SourceReady. It's an AI sourcing platform built for entrepreneurs and brands, and it's built to save you a ridiculous amount of time finding verified suppliers anywhere in the world. The part I want to spend the most time on is the product research tool, because honestly, this is the most useful update they've made. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm on the SourceReady dashboard right now. So you can see, hi, ask me how can I help you? So best-selling recycled plastic pet toy trends. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to market analysis. We can click on that. You can change that as well. And now it's actually loading, right? So now we can see that it is bringing up product research right here. It's getting it from a few different places as well. So we can see, and here we get a market report. So best-selling recycled toys. And here we get a whole document of actually the best-selling brands, the companies that sell them, contact details, where you can get them. So here you can see the market report, the best-selling recycled plastic pet toy trends for 2025. You can see the market overview and growth, and you can see there's a very big market for this with a reach of $3.22 billion in 2025. We can see the 2025 market value, we can see sustainability growth, consumer behavior, and even the top growth region right there, which you can see is the North American region. We have key trends for 2025. As you can see right here, we have smart and interactive eco toys. We have the best-selling brands and product lines. So it really goes into details and provides you with everything that you need to know. So right here you can see the brand, for example, Westpaw, Cycle Dog, and here we can go to some of the product details. So if we click on it, you can see Retriever Durable Dog Chew Toy. You can see the reviews on it. You can send an inquiry, and then we can go back to the different ones. So we can click on this little star, so it will bring up the Beco Rough and Tough Starfish Dog Toy. You can see the cost of it. Yet again, you can see the reviews. They have 60 reviews, 3.9. You can see the sizes that are available, and you can create a new product list. So here you can see generate logo, product images, design, product features, and branding elements for this product, right? So if you choose it, it will go, it's going to create its magic. And like it says there, good things take time. So we're just waiting for this to load. And as you can see right here, we can actually now go and edit it. So different variations, we have extension fields, and here we can click on it, and you can see on our product list that it is now active. So we can see the star pals. So we can go back and we can actually search for more recycled plastic pet toys suppliers in China. So now it's going to do a supplier search for us, right? So previously we searched for the most used pet products, like the recycled toys, but now we can actually go and we can search for the suppliers, what products they have. You can go and scroll through them, for example, see where their key market is, what product type. So we can see, for example, product type is a pet toy, it matched. The material type is recycled, so that is also matched. And then you can go ahead and you can actually sort through it. So you can see an overview, products, customers, certifications, insights, extension fields, and you can send through an inquiry as well. So there you can see the most important part is the key export markets. So you can actually see where they can export these products to. And then we can go to the extension fields, products again, and then the overview, which will tell us a little bit more about the supplier and the manufacturer. And if you want a few extra, use my code DPW200 for a bonus credits. If you're planning to launch a product, or you just want to clean up how you're searching right now, definitely give SourceReady a try. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and we'll see you in the next one.